Hello, Great Dumbarton Bake Offers and Bake Offies and friends, followers, fellow history nerds. Welcome to what feels like week 500 of the Great Dumbarton Bake Off. My name's Camille and I'm the development manager, so I work directly with donors, I support our members, and I write grants, and I pretty much work with everyone on staff just to make sure that we reach our fundraising goals every year. So today we're going to be making soft ginger cakes, and that recipe comes from the Williamsburg Art of Cookery cookbook. That's a tongue twister. That's the cookbook that Mary and everyone else has been using every week for the bake-off. Okay, so before we get going with the bake-off of this 19th century recipe, I first have to go to my 21st century grocery store in my modern day carriage of a car and get ingredients that I don't have. So the ingredients I need to get at the grocery store are lard and molasses. I keep mixing up lard and butter and I think that they're like interchangeable, but they're not, and I learned this today, but my mind still says butter. Final steps of the recipe call for you to bake the cookies in a moderate oven, so I just kind of interpreted that as like 350, and then to put them on a greased tin, but I put them on parchment paper. While we hang out and wait for the cookies to bake, I thought that I would share some information I found with you all about the history of gingerbread cookies, ginger snaps as we know them today, and how that kind of ties to Dumbarton House. I found a great article on the website of the American Revolutionary Museum, which is located in Philadelphia, and I'll link it in our bio, but they share that the first mention of ginger snaps officially was in 1805. 1805 falls right in the time frame that we focus on at Dumbarton House, which is 1804 to 1813. So with that in mind, at Dumbarton House for public programs such as teas and for school field trips, we always serve ginger snaps. Final confessional of the soft ginger cakes, they're delicious. The only complaint, I guess, I have is that the batter is not good, so don't bank on licking your spoon. But other than that, the cookies are fantastic.